What's going on today, guys? I just want to interrupt the video real quick and give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Sponsor of today's video is going to be Tuning Auto Lighting. The link to their Instagram will be in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. They sent me this 32-inch light bar to go on my truck, and I need your help to figure out where to put it. So leave some comments below about where I should put this on the truck, whether it should go underneath, under the grill, behind the grill. Let me know. Put some comments below. Huge shout out to McTuning for sending this to me. More stuff on the way. Make sure y'all go hit up that link in the description. Check out their stuff. It's awesome. So let's get back to the video. What the hell? What is going on today, Bread Gang? I am back again with another daily vlog and another trip to Cummins, Georgia this morning. And it's another cold ass morning here in Georgia. I mean, we're doing so many consecutives on the channel right now. It's great. All jokes aside, let me know what you guys think of the daily vlog style videos. Again, I have the full day off today and I'm up early doing stuff for YouTube, for the trucks. We're doing all kinds of stuff today. So stick around, stay tuned. It's gonna be a great day. I got a lot of stuff planned today. But like I said, let me know what you guys think of this daily vlog style videos in the comments below if you guys like them. I don't get to do them very often, so holy crap. Well, I've been on the road for about 5 seconds and I'm already great. Yes, literally, I just got off the exit to get onto the interstate this morning, and this is what we're running into. Awesome. Well, anyway, to start the morning off, we have a couple essentials that I want to, share with you guys today. We have the original Slim Jim. If you're not eating original, what the hell's wrong with you? And we've got brown plastic bag chocolate milk. I mean, if you're not drinking chocolate milk in the morning, again, you're doing everything wrong. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the, cinematics or anything for the trip today. It's crazy, it's absolutely crazy how the effects of YouTube can, bam, just like that. Already in Cummins. I mean, it's crazy how YouTube can make time fly so fast, doesn't it? I'm sure you guys remember the Gladiator from yesterday. Sure you do. Yeah, I know all of you watched the video from yesterday. Enough with the BS. We gotta go. We got a lot of stuff to do today. I will see you guys back in Atlanta. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where's my, there we go. All right, now I'll see you back in Atlanta.
A few moments later.
Just like that, we're back in Atlanta. This video is, I don't really know where it's going, to be honest. Those of you that are still watching already, even though it's only a couple minutes in, huge shout out to you. I got Cody with me again today, and we are going to Chipotle. Again, I don't want this video to end up like the one that I did a couple days ago. Literally, we're back at Chipotle again. This time's gonna be a little bit different because I think we're gonna have a little more fun this time. What's up, guys? So I'm starting the second half of this video off. It is the next day. I'm leaving the tent shop currently, and what better way to give you guys a feel for what driving a lifted truck is like in Atlanta than to drive the truck around. I'm actually headed home for the day. Couple of things. My check engine light is back on again. Great. And I need gas again. You guys saw me put gas in the truck earlier in the video, and that was yesterday morning. I'm already putting gas in my truck again. It seems like I go through gas probably like $20 or $30 a day. It seems like I go through gas, and that's a testament to a couple of different things that I'm going to touch on the way home. Really, it's a combination of about 3 things. Real quick, my check engine light is back on because of the catalytic converters that I talked about in the last video. I have no idea why that's going on. If you guys know, please leave a comment below and help me out. Maybe I can figure something out. Maybe the cats are getting clogged. I have no idea. 3 things mainly on why having a lifted truck in Atlanta. What are you doing over there? Dude, move out of the way. Your stupid Camaro. One is, so look, this is, it's 4:30 on a Friday, and I'm like, the parking lots everywhere are just insane. it doesn't matter where you go. I guess we'll start there. That's number one on the list, is there's so many freaking people. Atlanta is a huge city. It's absolutely huge compared to where I'm from in Tallahassee. And it just seems like there's so many people out all the time. From 6 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock at night, the interstates are slam packed with people. And if you get caught with low gas, like I like to ride around with, you are gonna get in some serious trouble, because I mean, the traffic can flip from being nobody on the roads to everybody and their brother on the roads in an instant. So we're actually gonna drive by the Braves Stadium over here in a second. But I mean, that's number one on the list. You guys can see it just, there's people, so many people out all the time. Now it is 4:30 on a Friday, so I'm about to hit rush hour traffic. I definitely wouldn't go anywhere near the interstates right now. And I'm not even in the worst part of it. The worst part is gonna be farther that way going into the city. But number one on the list is definitely, there's way too many people. Number two on the list is gonna be the roads are crap and everything is so spaced out. It's funny because Atlanta is so big that even going a mile from my house to the gas station or to Chick-fil-A or something, it turns into, you know, a 30-45 minute ordeal. All the people, all the traffic, it just, nothing's easy, nothing's fun. The truck is big, trying to squeeze in parking spots and squeeze in lanes and turn. U-turns are terrible. I mean, there's just so many little things about driving a truck here in Atlanta that's really not fun to do. I want to give a shout out. I can't remember who it was. Somebody commented on one of my videos or something and said, you know, I think they were joking, but they were talking about the fact that I need a 9-inch lift to go over do the crazy off-roading in suburban Atlanta. And they were probably joking, but it's kind of funny because it's true to a certain extent, because the roads in Atlanta are so terrible. There's potholes. They're always fixing roads. The little patch of concrete behind the tent shop over there is trash. I mean, the roads everywhere are terrible, especially on the interstate, and the interstates are so packed all the time they can't ever fix it. So you really need a lifted truck to be able to get around without tearing up your car. I remember when I was working at Discount, the amount of bent wheels that I saw all the time because all the potholes around here is insane, and that's just one store. I can't imagine how many more there are out there. So, you know, the roads are bad. I'm just kind of recapping. The roads are bad. There's so many people. I mean, look, this is 4:30. We're at 4:30. It's gonna be, look, 4:30 on a Friday afternoon. It's just backed up, and it's just gonna get worse and worse. Going up Georgia's has a lot more hills, a lot more inclines. There is Kennesaw Mountain down the road. There's a lot more road obstruction. I don't know how to say it. It's not flat. Florida's flat where I'm from. Georgia's not flat. So driving a lifted truck, I spend a lot more gas. It's not fun. So what I'm gonna do, for those of you that are still watching, huge shout out to you. We're about to pass the Braves Stadium, actually. If this video gets 100 likes, me, and I'll try and get JW over here from Augusta, but at least me will go downtown with the truck. But you can see, I mean, even just driving now by the Braves Stadium, it's not fun to drive like this. I mean, it's tight quarters. If you have a car next to you, any movements and you're touching that car next to you, but that's just what I got to deal with. Oh, that's kind of cool. Coca-Cola Roxy. That's the back side of the Braves Stadium right there. It's not fun to drive around, but it'll be fun for the video. If you guys can get this to 100 likes, we'll take it to the Braves Stadium, or not the Braves Stadium. We'll take the truck downtown and we'll see what the truck does downtown. I have been downtown before, so I know what it's like, but I haven't really explored very much, and I know driving my truck down there is gonna be a very good video. So make sure to get this video to 100 likes so I can make that happen for you guys. But overall, I mean, I love my truck, don't get me wrong. And once we lift the Tahoe is gonna be really big and nice. And driving both of those around all the time that's gonna be a complete game changer, and that's gonna break a lot of necks driving around. But I mean, having a truck in Atlanta, I wouldn't change anything for the world. I love my truck, I would never get rid of it. It just has its challenges just like anything else. It would be a lot less stressful to drive a little Honda Accord or something around, and you know, I'll definitely get a daily driver at some point, and my daily will probably end up being like a leveled Duramax. So I mean, I'm not ever gonna get away from it. So I mean, I'm not making this video to complain to you guys. I'm kind of making this video just to get an understanding of what I go through on a daily basis. But I mean, look at, dang, I can't really show you. Look at 70, can y'all see 75 over there? maybe you could for a second. I mean, 75 is almost bumper to bumper, and that's with traffic flowing. I mean, it's ridiculous how many people are around here all the time. But that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoy these kind of daily vlog videos. If you guys like these, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like and subscribe button anyway. If you like my content, I would really appreciate it. If you guys want to stay up to date with the Tahoe build, I try and spread the content out between the two trucks when I can film with the Tahoe. Make sure to check out the Tahoe playlist that I have. It's the Tahoe build series playlist on my YouTube channel. Hit that up so you can stay up to date from beginning to current with what we've done to the Tahoe. We're always buying new stuff, always ordering new stuff, and you know, we've got big plans for that Tahoe. So I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and all the love and support. It means a lot to me. But I'm gonna head home and try and get out of this traffic. I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna leave you guys with, make sure to always live the moment, enjoy every moment that you have, and let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me, is there? Say hello. Freedom _ F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.